Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SFS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, and it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal area, and that's right up there at $6.50. When I say ideal, I just mean if the price can stay above it, that would be a huge sign of power. But if the price drops below it, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. Now, if the price falls below there, by no means is that like the entire chart's broken, the entire chart's ruined, the entire chart has just gone bearish. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying, yeah, if the price could somehow manage to actually stay above 650, that would be a great sign of power. Next level of support after that would be the bottom portion of this consolidation area down here, right around $5.90. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward but highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price can stay above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what's being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 650, that would be great. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, then the bulls 100% own the chart. What about areas of resistance? As far as where the sellers are hanging out at, pretty straightforward right now. The price got right up around the $6.80 mark several times today. So that is certainly where the sellers seem to be hanging out for now, and that'll be public enemy number one going forward. Good news is it's not like the price closed super far away from it, so the price does not have to travel that far before it can start doing battle with that area again. But anyway, look at it. Nice movement today, great power. Now it's just a question of can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.